Solving logarithmic equations in few simple and easy steps. I trust you will like it. So we are told to solve log to the base of 3 of 2x plus 1 minus log to the base of 3 of x minus 3 is equal to 2. The first thing we do is just to express the logarithmic equations to be a log in base of 3, so that we need to add it here. But here we have 2. So we need to multiply 2 by 1. Anything multiplied by 1 is still that particular stuff. So here we can now remember we have that log to the base of n of n is equal to 1. Logarithm of the same base is 1. So since we are working in base 3, so I can write it to be log to the base of 3 of 2x plus 1 minus log to the base of 3 of x minus 3 is equal to 2 times 1 using log of the same base. Since we are working with base 3, I can write log to the base of 3. Since log to the same base is 1. So since you understood this, here we are subtracting logarithm in the same base. So in subtraction of logarithm, where you have log to the base of m of n minus log to the base of m of y, for instance, is the same thing as log to the base of m of n divided by y. When you are subtracting in the same logarithm, you just have to divide the numbers. So since you are subtracting here, you just have to keep the base the same, base 3. You have it as 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 3, dividing the two numbers. And again, we have 2 log to base of 3. Another rule of logarithm states that when a number is multiplying a logarithm, just say in the same pattern, it is just the same thing as the number multiplying the logarithm will now be expressed as the power. So we have it to be log to the base of n squared, just like this. So we can now write this term to be equal to log to the base of 3, then 3 squared. The power multiplying the number serving as the power to the number. So since we now have log to the base of 3 in both sides of the equation, we can now equate the terms. So we have 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 3. And that's equals to 3 squared is what? 9. Simple equation. So it's easy to solve now. This is just over 1, cross and multiply. We use 9 to multiply the denominator and use 1 to multiply the numerator. So we have it as 9 into x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 1. We open the bracket. 9 will multiply everything inside. 9 times x is 9x. 9 times minus 3 is minus 27 and is equals to 2x plus 1. The x's together, I'm bringing the numbers together. So we have 9x, the first term. When 2x crossing the equality sign, it becomes negative. Or basically, you say minus 2x from both sides. You have minus 2x and it's equals to, we have plus 1 here. So we have 1. When 27 crosses the equality sign, minus 27 crossing the equality sign, it becomes a positive, or you say add 27 to both sides. So I have to add 27 to both sides. So 9x minus 2x is 7x and it's equals to 1 plus 27 is 28. When you have to solve, you just divide through by 7 and divide by 7. Please, if you find the video interesting, consider liking, commenting, and sharing for more content like this. So if you divide through by 7, you have